I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Cpanel credentials, the domain, and whether you'll use webmail or a client. First, open your hosting provider's Cpanel URL, often your domain. com 2083 or via host login, and sign in with the username and password. Once done, make sure you can see the Cpanel dashboard icons. If you prefer webmail, locate the email accounts area now, if using an email client. Gather server names and port numbers so you can proceed without interruption. Now dive into the email accounts section and find the mailbox you need. You'll see actions beside it. Click Check Email to open Roundcube or Horde for immediate access, or choose Connect Devices to reveal manual settings. You must copy a map versus POP3 details and the SMTP outbound server with their secure ports, these power client setups. Once you have those, configure your client using the exact usernames and passwords. Selecting SSL/TLS were offered to prevent authentication issues later. Finish by testing send and receive in webmail first, then test in your email client to ensure sync. If you can't log in, reset the mailbox password inside email accounts and update the client credentials immediately. Make sure SSL/TLS and the correct ports are selected. Incorrect ports commonly block login. Finally, if problems persist, check your server firewall or host status and temporarily disable local VPNs, because network routes can interfere with authentication and mail delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.